Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Realme smartphone Realme C15. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 32GB with 3GB of RAM and 64GB with 3GB of RAM and 64GB with 4GB of RAM. The phone is coming in 3 colors and the 3 colors are marine blue, coral red, silver. And USB has micro USB 2.0, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD. Display size is 6.5 inches and 81.7% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.48 into 2.99 into 0.39 inches and weight 209 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset MediaTek Helio G35 and the CPU is getting Octa-core 4x2.3 GHz Cortex-A53 and 4x1.8 GHz Cortex-A53. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, proximity compass, and battery is lithium polymer 6000 mAh non-removable with capacity of normal charging 18 watt. As and always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera quad, 48 megapixel flash 1.8 25mm wide and 8 megapixel flash 2.3 16mm ultra wide, 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro and 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 1080 megapixel. 30 frame rate per second and get a selfie camera single 8 megapixel flash 2.0. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Realme C15 model. Those who like to use high range of smartphone with medium range and want to buy a good phone from Realme can take it without any hesitation. In next video I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay safe, stay well. Goodbye.